Thank you for taking the time to look at the e-wallet. I'm with Charla West. My name is Daniel Ode. We are both from the International Extension Department. And this morning we will take through the e-wallet and we'll explain the advantages of the e-wallet and how to get one.
Thank you, Daniel. And we're excited that everyone's listening today.
Before we go to the e-wallet, I just want to mention that since last month in January, all the countries now are using US dollars. So we pay commission in US dollars and all the products are charged in US dollars as well. So this is 17 countries using one currency. So this is good news, easier for the message to all our members. Only one way to talk about the business in US dollars.
Yeah.
At the same time, we introduced the e-wallet. And Charla, tell us, what is the e-wallet exactly?
The e-wallet is your own virtual account that you can transfer money from in many different ways, as you can see on this slide. You can transfer it to a prepaid debit card that you have, a credit card, your bank account. Anywhere over the world, you're able to make transactions. With the e-wallet, you are able to use the currency of your country. So it makes it's your own virtual global bank account is pretty much the best way I think to explain it.
Oh, I don't really understand why should I have an e-wallet. I don't see the difference between the e-wallet and the Pioneer card, because right now I get my commission with Pioneer. What is the difference between the Pioneer card and the e-wallet?
The main difference is that with the e-wallet, you are able to get the commissions that World Ventures pays you from your e-wallet account, and you can set up an automatic transfer that will transfer funds directly to your bank account, to your credit card, and also to a prepaid debit card. With the Pioneer, you must go to a ATM machine and get cash off of the card, or use it as a point of sale. So you can see that the e-wallet with iPayout is a much more versatile tool for you to get commissions, your commissions from World Ventures, and also purchase product off of your e-wallet card with World Ventures.
Oh, that's good. It's also available in 10 different languages.
Yes, that is very good. You're in total control of the funds that are on your e-wallet account. And so the availability and accessibility is yours. It's on your demand, in other words.
So I said it's in 10 different languages. What about the currencies? Do I have to use US dollars because World Ventures pays me in US dollars?
No, and that's a very good question. I'm glad you asked that, Daniel. You will be able to send whatever currency your country currency is. You will be able to receive funds from your e-wallet to that currency. It will do the conversion within the system for you, either for product purchase or your commissions off and into your account.
Tell me more, the step-by-step guide. How do I transfer money to my wallet to pay my monthly fees, or when I get my commission, how do I transfer the money outside of my e-wallet to bring that to my banking account?
When you get your e-wallet account, you will be able to log in, and you will see the tabs up at the top after you log in for deposit funds, transfer funds, request a card, and your account. And so if you look on like deposit funds, for example, you can see there's 4 different ways: bank to e-wallet, credit debit card to e-wallet, check to e-wallet, and wire to e-wallet. So those are funds that you would put on your e-wallet account for you to use to purchase product with World Ventures. Or you can select the transfer funds, which you will take funds off of your e-wallet to put into your bank account as a wire, or to another e-wallet, to a prepaid card, request a check, or put it on a credit or debit card.
Do you have to do every Monday, or can I create a recurring transaction?
Yes, you can create a recurring transaction. You can, and you have the options with the recurring transaction. Every time a commission hits your e-wallet, it will automatically make the transfer to the account that you've linked your e-wallet to for that transfer. Or you can go in and transfer manually. In other words, each time you would make the transfer. But if it's recurring, you do the one-time setup, and it's there every time funds are put on your e-wallet from World Ventures. They will come off and go automatically to the account that you've elected.
I did it, so I understand how it works. And when you click on deposit funds, you just have to follow the wizard. And if your bank account is not there, you can create and link your bank account to continue the transaction. So it's very, very easy. And even if you don't understand how it works, you can always go to the live support. And when you go to the live support, it's at the bottom of each screen. You always have that lady there, and you just click on Start Chatting. You'll have a pop-up window, and someone from iPayout will be there helping you by answering your question and helping you doing your transactions.
Yes, and remember, up at the top also of your screen, there is an FAQ section that has several of your questions that may be able to answer to that as well.
To have an e-wallet, I want to understand there's two ways to do it. If you are an existing rep with World Venture, or if you're coming to World Venture. So let's talk about first as an existing rep. You go to your back office, you will click on My Profile. When you click on My Profile, you will see that page that we have on the screen, and then you can go and there's two pages that you have to update. One is commission payout, and you'll go click on e-wallet, and then if you didn't create your e-wallet yet, you will click on the link Need an e-wallet, and you will follow the wizard again, and you will have a step-by-step process explaining how to create your e-wallet. And at the end of the transaction, when your e-wallet will be created, you'll be back there, and you will be able to enter your e-wallet ID and your e-wallet passport, and your commission will be paid directly to your e-wallet. Now, if you want to pay your fees directly from your e-wallet, you can click on the other page, Payment Information, and then you will have the same e-wallet option. You'll have many options because you can put your credit card there and your other information. But if you want to add your e-wallet, it's the same thing. You click on e-wallet and you will enter your ID and password there. If you are a new person, this is different because you're not in World Venture yet. So what you do is you go and you select all your products, and when at the end in the shopping basket, when they click on checkout, they will be sent to the payment method, and now they can decide paying by credit card or with their e-wallet. If they check their e-wallet, they will have the same link, Need an e-wallet, and they will be transferred to the iPayout website where they create their e-wallet, and they follow the step-by-step process, and they come back and put their ID and password. When that will be done, okay, what happens is when you create an e-wallet, you get an email. And when you click on the link, that confirms that you are linked to your e-wallet, and it activates the e-wallet. And then you can add money to pay your fees to World Venture, and your position will become activated within 24 hours.
That's right. And one thing I want to add here, Daniel, just real quick, is after you've clicked on the link that you receive in the email to activate your account, you still need to link your bank account, your prepaid debit card, or your credit card to your e-wallet so that when those commissions come in on your e-wallet account from World Ventures, you'll be able to make the transfer automatically, or let it sit there and accumulate and go in at another time and make your transfer to one of your accounts.
On that, thank you everyone for taking the time to listen to the special presentation on the e-wallet. You can see on the screen our email addresses. If you need any information or if you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you, Charla, for that explanation on the e-wallet, and thank you everyone for your participation.
Yes, thanks you.